It wasn't that our situation was so precarious that we were living of fear or survival or anything. We weren't destitute, but I guess we weren't far off either. Our caste was just 3 away from the bottom. We were artists, and artists and classical musicians were just 3 steps up from us, literally. Our money was stretched as tight as high wire, and our income was highly dependent on the changing seasons. This was said by America after she gets picked for the selection. The theme of poverty is examined through the caste system. This is further examined in the selection where 35 girls from different castes compete to win Prince Maxim's heart. The book also displays the complication of love as America is confused between her feelings for Aspen or Maxim.
When we got the letter in the post, my mother was ecstatic. She had already decided that all of our problems were solved, gone forever. The big hitch in her brilliant plan was me. I didn't think that I was a particularly disobedient daughter, but this was where I drew the line. I didn't want to be royalty, and I didn't want to be a one. I didn't want to try.
After America and Maxim's conversation about Aaliyah, Maxim begins to understand the poverty in his country. Maxim decides to take some action.
I feel like no good leader can let the masses go unfed. Most of Iliad is comprised of these lower castes, and we have overlooked these people for far too long. That is why I'm moving forward and why I'm asking others to join me. 2s, 3s, 4s. The roads you drive on don't pave themselves. Your houses aren't cleaned by magic. Here's your opportunity to acknowledge that truth by donating at your local province services office.
After Maxim's speech about the donation system, America seems to have fallen for him, and now she finds herself stuck between Aspen and Maxim.
So you're choosing him over me? No, I'm not choosing him or you. I'm choosing myself. That was the truth at the core of everything. I didn't know what I wanted yet, and I couldn't let myself be swayed by what was easy or what someone else wanted. I had to give myself time to decide what was best for me.